of coding is the issue of recursion. Recursion is a really key part in algorithms and data structures, and just to attempt to write some recursive code is very important. So if we look at the code for your bubble sort, and it looks like this, and your bubble sort has nothing sent to it, because all it's going to do is it's going to run a chunk of code. Then inside there, it's going to ask a question. The condition for the swap is the value of the current greater than the value of the next. If so, we're going to come into here and we're going to run our swap code. I'm going to pass in the current and the next, and that's going to do their job. But at this point, immediately after we swap, we don't continue, because this is inside a loop. So it's just literally going along each item in the loop, right? Getting the next item. So that's a loop. But we don't continue in the loop, because if we've swapped, we want to make sure that that number that's now repositioned hasn't thrown the whole thing out of sequence. So we rerun the method, bubble sort. So if you look at this, that's the method, and then we're going to rerun it here under this condition. That is recursion, and that's an incredibly powerful way of coding, and the recommended way of tackling bubble sorts and this type of stuff. It is a challenge to you, and you will need support and questions you'll have, but the best way of coding it is absolutely to use debugging. Get your breakpoints into your code and make that work.